Hi everyone, welcome. Today it's stationery time and we have a new package today and November, December for me. Like it's a very exciting month and I'm really excited to see all the stationeries that I got. And this one is a notepad. And as you have read the title on my video, it is the Sanrio notepad. But one thing that I did not expect was it was smaller than what I expected. I should have done my research more, but it's okay. It's adorable, so it can be forgiven. And here at the year that I saw on this notepad, this was made at the year 2023. It's not the latest version. I didn't really notice that while picking the notepad that I wanted, but it's still really adorable. And this is the notepad design that I wanted among all the notepads that was available. And this one is the A6 Sanrio Character Schedule Book for 2025. And look at how small the notepad is. It's a regular size notepad, not the one that I was expecting for since I also ordered this kind of notepad and it is bigger. It is smaller than an A6, but it's not really as small as the Sanrio Characters notepad, and these two is what we'll be seeing for today. I'll do a flip through for both of them and the differences for both of them, and as you can see I will be doing a size comparison between the A6 size and this notepad, the bigger notepad. As you can see, it's the A6 is much taller than the Little Twin Stars notepad, but it is still big than the Sanrio characters. So first, let's go with the Sanrio characters and look a closer for the art design on this one, and it's so lovely and adorable with the parfait. It fits more the 2024 schedule book design for the Sanrio characters. Although this one was released 2023 as written on the back, and the other one is 2024, but it has the same theme going on with them. And here's our first page, like the same design from the front artwork, really pretty with a pink background. And the first design is 50 pages, and there would be a two design for this kind of notepad. So if you see a notepad that only has two design with 100 pages, then it would be a mini notepad. And here we have really adorable different kinds of Sanrio parfaits. Like we have My Melody, we have Hello Kitty, we have Cinnamoroll, Kuromi, we have Pochaco, and Pompomporin, and the same design all throughout. And there's really nothing special at the end. And here's the back look. And this would be perfect for a notepad on the go. And this one would be the Little Twin Star. It has 144 pages and it has a total of 8 designs with one sticker page. And this is the sticker page, the first page you would see after you flip through. And on the next page, we start on the first design, which has the Little Twin Star. This is focused more on the Little Twin Star since this is a Little Twin Star size and notepad. And this one's really adorable. They are on the moon and have stars on it. Like it would be really fun to write on these notepads. And also for the next design, they are like babies, very adorable with toys around them. Like I also do like this design. Like I cannot really choose which one I like the most. And for the next one, we still have another little twin stars, but there's a little pony on top and a little radio. And here on the next design, we have them riding a little pony, really adorable. And with the next design, we have like a little house and flowers all over, and the little twin star sitting on the clouds. And for the next one, they're like under the tree with the sun and everything nice. Like they're having a picnic. And if you think there's no more, there's still more. And here we have like a toy factory feel to it. Like they are riding a toy, and that would be everything. And here's the back page. You get all the information you would need on what's inside this notepad. And comparison with the notepad side by side with the small one, like with the Sanrio characters. Here it is. And that's everything I have for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.